everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and I am back with new recipe. Today I would like to show you how to prepare chicken peri peri in my version and it's very delicious. Let's get started. So required ingredients, first of all we see this is chicken. Okay, you can see this is my chicken and this is salt and pepper and peri peri which you get ready made, and I got this from McD. I went to eat McD something, so I got peri peri from there. So here is my lettuce for decoration and here is my cream which I am using today. So we will get started now. So right now what we will do, this is salt and pepper. First of all I will do the marination of this. Salt and pepper. Salt should be, you should use as per your taste. Okay. Now what I will do of this one I will fry for 5 minutes, only for 5 minutes in this pan. Okay, you can see right now I did marinate with salt and pepper. Chicken is done right now, and before doing things you have to wash your hand properly. So right now what I will do, I will fry this one. I will fry it for 5 minutes. Right now it happened right now. See, you can see after 5 minutes how golden brown it happened. So right now I will remove this. Make sure that you should not remove the oil. First of all I will take it out my chicken. Little oil will come, it's okay. So here you can see the chicken is done right now. Right now I will use little bit of cream. 1 tablespoon, 1.5, right? 1.5 I am using, and I am using now peri peri masala. How much you required? Okay, you should not use too much because peri peri is spicy. So it's done. Mix it. So it is done right now. So a little bit I will add little bit of pepper if required. Okay, I need little bit pepper more, so I am using pepper. Pepper is totally optional right now because you added pepper before, but right now I want pepper, that's why I added. So it's done right now. So it's time for plating. So I have lettuce here. Up to lettuce I am putting. So right now for taste, this is my peri peri chicken. So you can also prepare, how much easy you can see it is. You can prepare at your home very easily, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.